fittable model, please check the text on the metal casing at the bottom of the notebook to determine the model number of the notebook. Do not buy wrong. For MacBook Pro 13/14" and 16" model A2141 A2251 A2289 A2338 A2442 A2485 2019 to 2022 year for MacBook Air 13" model A2179 A2337 A2681 M2 2019-2022 year Note 1. This product does not contain transparent silica gel rebound cup. If the silica gel rebound cup is lost, the problem cannot be solved by replacing the keycap and hinge. Point 2. Please make sure your keyboard keycap and white hinge are exactly the same as in the picture. If you are not sure whether the keycap and hinge are suitable for you, please contact us in time. We have professional engineers to help you. Installation tips: if the white hinge is not damaged, you can directly install the black keycap. If the hinge is damaged, please install the white hinge first, and then install the black keycap package: 1 PCS black keycap and 1 PCS white hinge. If you need up and down keys, please select 2 quantities. Buy without risk. For any reason you are not satisfied, you can return the keycap and we will refund you full money. If any doubts, please not hesitate to contact with me. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Fittable model: please check the text on the metal casing at the bottom of the notebook to determine the model number of the notebook. Do not buy wrong. For MacBook Pro 13/14" and 16" model A2141 A2251 A2289 A2338